Today I came with the new airdrop project. This is called HIVERA. It is a DePIN project on Telegram mini app. You can contribute to your bandwidth and earn rewards. This is a newly airdrop start 17th December and will be completed in February. Do it fast. You can get the link in the video description or join the Telegram channel, and the Telegram channel link in the video description. Let's move to the what is HIVERA bot and how to earn using HIVERA tokens. In here you can see let's go to the readme doc, and here you can see you can connect to your wallet and other things. In here you can see HIVERA is a decentralized network powered by TON blockchain backed by TON Incubator, and also it is a DePIN project on Telegram mini app that enables users to contribute their data for AI training while earning rewards. In here simply you share your bandwidth to power AI training and earn HIVERA tokens based on that. This is a great project. You can earn massive profit using this. In here in the total supply is this amount of HIVERA tokens, and also the mining duration is until February 2025 or until the all tokens are mined. This is a great news because we have the deadline. Before that we need to mine HIVERA tokens. In here in the metrics section we can say the blockchain metrics. Total mine is 0.33 mine is already done using the users, and also you can see in the earnings section I have balanced 20 points HIVERA tokens, and also you can start earning in here. After that you can see I have 315 power refresh. So you need to refresh your power using the task by completing this daily task or inviting your friends. You can earn massive profit from this airdrop. Please participate in early birds, and also you can upgrade your power capacity by paying 1.2 tons, so paying using stars. Please do it as soon as possible and start earning. You can refer friends and get more power. And also in the activity log you can see there are several users shared their bandwidth and earn rewards. Please like and subscribe the channel and stay tuned for future profit videos. Thank you.